going to have a presentation on is the discounting principle. So discounting principle states that if a decision involves money receipts or payments in the future period, then all that money transactions must be valued at a current period for decision making. In business, basically, there are a lot of decisions money transactions which have to be made in future, like which we'll have money transactions, receipts or payments which we will be getting it in future. So basically, we all while making the decisions of coming to a settlement of the amount of money to transfer, we have to check the current value of money. Discounting principle is the principle. It is a principle based on the fundamental fact of time value of money, which states that the present value of money is always greater than the future value of money. As you can see in the picture, whether the present value of money keeps on, uh, the present value of money is always greater than the future value. The reason that the reason for the present value of money being more than the future value of money is because of four reasons: earning power or reinvestment opportunities. This means that the amount of money which we have now on a future date, it has the ability to earn interest. For example, if I have 1 lakh rupees today and I have to get 1 lakh rupees a month later, I can invest that 1 lakh rupee today and get an interest on that. Instead of getting 1 lakh now, I'll get the amount which is due after 1 month, maybe 1,10,000. Then the second point is changes in price. This is basically inflation. A rise in price reduces the purchasing power of money. Like the amount of goods you can purchase with 100 rupees today, you might not be able to purchase the same amount of goods on a future date. Then uncertainty. There is a lot of uncertainty in a business economy. For example, we have the pandemic going on right now. This is an uncertain event which no one had planned, and the value of this leads to a lot of uh, sorry, just a second. This leads to a lot of uh, problem in the money management of an entrepreneur and personal consumption preferences. So personal consumption preferences is, for example, if someone asks you that would you like to take a bike today or buy a car 4 years later, everyone chooses the to buy a bike today and ride it because it's personal consumption that today we should have to the commodity with us today rather than we don't know what will happen 4 years later. So there are two techniques to calculate the time value of money, that is the compounding technique and the discounting technique. Compounding technique is to calculate the future value of money and discounting technique is to calculate the present value of money. So the future value of the value of a current asset on a future date at an assumed rate of growth is known as future value. The future value can be you can determine the future value of money with the formula present value multiplied by 1 plus interest to the power of n. For example, suppose we have to get the present value is rupees 1,50,000, which at an interest rate of 8%. What will be the future value of it after 5 years? So future value is 1,50,000 into 1 plus rate of interest is 8 by 100 to the power of 5, which makes it 1,50,000 into 1.08 to the power of 5, which comes to 2,20,399. So sum which values 1,50,000 today, the actual value of it 5 years later is 2,20,399. The present Similarly, the present value is the value of a sum today of money which is to be received at a future point of time. It can be determined with the formula future value divided by 1 plus interest to the power of n. For example, the future value of money is 2,75,000, which is to be received 3 years later at a discounting rate of 9%. So the present value will be 2,75,000 divided by 1 plus 9, which is the discounting rate, to the power of 3, which is the number of years. So present value becomes 2,75,000 divided by 1.09 to the power of 3, which is 2,12,355. So sum which is 3 years later, which the sum which of 2,75,000 values 2,12,315 today at the current date. So thank you. If you have any doubts, please let me know. And thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity to me.
Very good, Kushal.